horses out of Kashmira. Past the begin, yes, Papa is running by the rail. Colossal in third, Sangang Daan, then comes Worth the Wait. High in action, and I Survive is the early trailer, and going along for the first turn. We have Kashmira running in between horses. Down on the inside is Yes Papa. Alongside third comes Colossal. 5 lengths away for now is High in action. Sangang Daan, Worth the Wait. And I Survive now racing in last. Meanwhile, Kashmira and Yes Papa fighting it out for the lead. Colossal is racing in third. High in action still in fourth. Worth the Wait in fifth. Sangang Daan and I Survive. Kashmira still in front by about half a length. Yes Papa and on the outside Colossal. Then here comes a High in action. Now trying to get closer in fourth. Worth the Wait in fifth. I Survive and Sangang Daan. Kashmira and on the outside Colossal. High in action, moving up on the outside as they come down in the last 150. High in action now takes the lead by about 2 lengths. Colossal moving up, Worth the Wait on the outside. Kashmira down on the inside, but it's still High in action by about 3 lengths. And finally, it's High in action. Second, Worth the Wait, then comes Kashmira. Colossal, Sangang Daan, I Survive, and Yes Papa.
7.